Good morning to you and welcome to my midweek shave. Thank you again to Mrs H, her ladyship there, for the flowers. And what are we using? Well, this is actually take two, because I did have a shaving cream I was going to use, but it let me down with the lathering process. So I think it must have been just a non-brush lathering cream, just a face cream, so I didn't want that. So what I'm going to use is this. This is take two, and this is a thing, I remember buying this, I've only used it once I think. Mr Knatty shave cream, I love that name. Moisturising shave cream, I hope this isn't the same. And this consists of lime, basil, or basil as some people say. Basil is the correct pronunciation, I think. And mandarin, it says on the bottom there, just above my, just here, if you can see it. So that's gone in the lovely coloured, this is a 3D printed bowl I bought off Etsy. It works well, especially with these fans at the bottom there. And this is got some good rough edges, so that's gone in there. PaulHFilms brush, the DSCosmetic, the synthetic. Not, are we going to focus? Yes we are, thank you very much. That's nice. And the razor of choice is this one, the Wilkinson. Well, depending on your age, it's a classic, it's a collectible anyway, because I think any razor you cannot buy new is automatically a collector's piece, really, isn't it? If it's any good. And this is the Wilkinson sword, known as the sticky, because when this is wet it has a sticky feeling to it, which gives a good grip in my opinion. Twist to open, non-adjustable razor, and in there you'll see a brand new Personna platinum blade ready to go. Now there is slight overhang on this razor to be aware of, but not too bad. There's the box the blades come in. So let's have a go then, shall we? We'll wet the brush and see how we get on. Well, that's much better. Oh yeah, that's nice. Quite a weak scented soap, so I'd say it's a 4 out of 10 as we are, but very nice scent. Wow. And more or less we're there. That's how easy that was. Just a damp, or sort of damp to wet brush, but it wasn't dripping. And that's what we've come up with. I think I'm quite happy with that. Good grief, here, look at that, like a meringue. Should we wet the face? As you can see, we're in good need of a shave. Look forward to the midweek shave as well. So I'm definitely getting the mandarin and lime combination. Almost a zesty, quite a zesty scent. Very nice, because I like anything citrusy anyway, but it's quite light scented, which is not a fault, it's just what it is. Very enjoyable. So I hope you've been enjoying some shaves this week, if you're a daily shaver. So here we go, first pass, Personna Platinum brand new, Wilkinson sword, sticky. This will be a standard aggression. That is nice. This is very nice. Incidentally, I don't get, when this is wet, you can see there's no stickiness. It's just it gives a good grip when it's wet. For some reason it works well, so they call it the sticky because it sticks to your hands. I became aware of this shaving cream from a chap called Andy. If you're watching Andy still, he does videos himself, Cream and Whiskers, and Andy's had a few operations on his mouth and his tongue, I think. I'm not sure if he's had part of it removed. And he's loves shaving. I think he does one every Sunday. And when you first watch his channel, you might not understand him speaking, and that's another reason he does the videos, is to practice and come back to his speech. Obviously part of his tongue not there off, it's swollen a bit. Some days he says his tongue's big, and he shaves, and it's good. So I hope you're doing well, Andy. I always think of you when I have this, Mr. Knatty. Yeah, so doing the as I say, doing the shaves aids his speech and his recoveries, you know, trying to with his speech, recovery, to speak as best you can, or as best he can, I should say. Yeah, nice chap. Right, here we go, across the growth. So it's a standard aggression, but you can feel the blade. I expect this would have been one of their classic ranges, maybe. Wilkinson sword at one point, but it's quite a, I presume it's quite a rare razor these days. But it's very nice. It is a medium standard aggression, but it has just a slight edge on it. You can feel that blade more so than you can in other sort of standard Wilkinson sword razors, but just slightly. It might be just the blade. Well, obviously it is the blade, but it might be just this blade that's giving it that feeling, you know. So you might put another blade in and it won't feel as edgy, sharp edgy. You learn all these words from me. Very slick cream. Really enjoying that scent. So very mandarin lime, sort of zestiness. It's a zesty scent. Very nice. And the basil, I suppose, in the background there gives it a uniqueness as well. Plenty of cream. yeah, the shaving, the cream I was going to use, as I say, I think I've only used it 2 or 3 times. But it's, I presume it's a brushless cream, which are fine if you're in a hurry or if you're maybe travelling or working or something. But not for me for these shaves. I enjoy the process of lathering up and that sort of stuff. So against the growth now. So as I was saying, the weather is cooler, still warm, but it's not as intense, and rain is forecast. Ooh, and everybody's, well, most people are ready for some rain. No more so than the farmers, for the land and for the grass and things. And for any gardeners out there. Well, gardens, whether you're a gardener or not, really. That is nice. That is good, you know. Really enjoyed that. That is good. So, one more pass to do. Very important pass for me, this. 3, 2, 1. Pick up time, baby. Alright, we've got plenty here. In fact, we've got that much cream. If you fancy coming through the screen there, you can help yourself. Alright. Won't be... I'm going to have to retire this. Won't be in work tomorrow. Why not? Because this camera better start behaving itself. You know, when I'm doing the close-ups and... So I'm looking for a new camera. No, I wouldn't do that. Very pleased with it. Usually. That isn't very nice. Just a touch. Very happy with that. So we can have a nice cold water, oh that's nice, cold water rinse. Which is also refreshing and cooling, that's lovely. White, oh I don't know, white tulips with some eucalyptus, I think. Oh, that is nice. Oh, I feel much better for that. Okay, so there we go. Close and clean and fresh. Homemade tea tree witch hazel. I hadn't realised I made this bottle. I must have made two when I made the other, which is nearly finished, and then I went in the other drawer, as we do, and found this one. And funny enough, I was looking in another drawer in another room, and I found the other spare. I bought 12 of these bottles when I bought them off eBay. They're called screw top 200mm glass bottles. I can't remember what the proper name was, but they came in 12s, and I bought 12 of them. I've used, I think, 4, and the others are, the spares are in there. So that's that. God, I don't have to waffle about some rubbish. And we're going to use some of this today. This is a lemon cologne, quite a strong one, 80%, is it? And this is Akcay Eau de Cologne lemon. Lovely stuff. Spray. Posh. I feel like a right lemon. That's beautiful. That's nice. And then we're going to use some of this stuff. I haven't used this for a while. Glasses back on. Nivea Men Sensitive Pro Ultra Calming. Why do I have to have such long names? Facial balm with 100% plant-based hemp seed oil and vitamin E. There you go. A little dab will do you. Oh, I forgot how good that feels. Oh, that is nice. There we go. Very happy. Happy there. So thanks for your time. If you've sat through all this waffling on, I really appreciate it, and hope you have a good rest of the week in your health, in your shaves, and in life in general. So thanks again, and I'll see you on Sunday for the weekend shave. So all the best, take care of yourselves, and bye bye.